What is up, guys? I'm back in the Shed Fat kitchen. Today we are going to be making some spicy wings, but with a healthier twist. We are going to be baking our wings instead of the traditional frying. Only a few ingredients required. If you do end up making this recipe, please leave us a comment down below and let us know how you liked it. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any recipes in the future. Also, give us a big thumbs up so that we know what type of videos you guys love to see. So without further ado, let's get started on the recipe.